Hi guys, just doing the room tour. Come and join us. 112. Hello. We've got our tea and coffee, which you always take good. Also, there's a fridge. Shit. It's a minibar. I don't think the tea and coffee is a minibar though. But we're not 100%.
That's free.
How is it free? It even says Planet, Coffee Planet. So everything's all like different kinds of teas. I think that's like Save the Planet, because everything's all like cardboard. Show them the card. Have you got the card with you? Guess how many shoes I've got and how many Liam's got. Whoopsie daisy. But the room is absolutely epic. Got the tiller, a couch, the bed. Can actually starfish and not even touch Liam. Bliss. And then our, oh, not even shut the door. Oh, it's steamed up. And then our bathroom. There's the toilet. Hi. Yeah. Robes. The bath. The shower. Everything is all massive. And then this is my favourite bit. So you can just have a stroll. Hi Liam. You can just have a stroll to the bit poo. So I'm going to go and do some sunbathing now. I'm going to go and do some sunbathing and get a bit of a tan. But up to now, Dubai is keep pinching myself to think, oh my god, I'm actually in Dubai, like I did when we first went to Vegas. Got that feeling. This is like our second day, because we came in about 3 o'clock this morning, got to bed, and then we're just going to sunbathe and chill out for a bit and then go to the mall because I want to go and get some nicks. I'm not like up I brought with me. That's all I brought. And my other, I think it's Da Vinci lipstick that I got from the airport, but that is, so I need to go to Nick's and I need to buy some makeup. Don't we, Liam? But happy Tuesday. Bye guys.